Which one? Texted me. It's not that windy, is it?
It just was blowing pretty good a minute ago before you started that.
Outside my house, it is roughly a little after 7 p.m. Eastern Time in north central Florida. We got our hurricane shutters on. My neighbor has his on. The wind is finally starting to pick up, as you can probably see in the trees, but it's probably about 20 mile an hour right now, and right now I'm looking right into it, so it's kind of coming from the north heading east. And it is, as the wind comes whipping around from the north. So as the storm is moving towards us, this is like the back side. It's coming whipping around. As I said, it's only about 20 mile an hour. They're fairly sustained. A little bit of a gust there, but not bad. Couple mile an hour bump. This is the other side of the house, our neighbor's house, and the carport where we stored our vehicles. They are gone. They're in Georgia. And the folks across the street, everybody's got their cars parked near their vehicles like they were told to, or near their houses like they were told to. And that greenish house you're looking at across the street, that is vacant. Okay, that's my little tour. Yeah, a little bit of loose skirting over here. Yeah, there's some out front too.
I can see all the way across town now.
We did pretty well. It's after 1:30 Eastern Time on Monday. Everybody's hunkered down. That's the vacant house across the street. That looked like it did all right too. Their front porch was already in a bit of disarray from nobody living there for a couple of years. But we've got some loose shingles on the roof and some missing shingles. And I don't know if they show show up that good on the camera up top there. And then down here behind this plant, I got some loose skirting on the house. There's some loose skirting in the back and some here on the side. But other than that, not bad. The golf course, I don't know if you can see it because of the berm in the distance, but it has a new lake this morning between a couple of the berms. And neighbors and our cars under their carport because they evacuated to Georgia, and we all look good. That big ass oak tree out back made it. That's what we were worried about. So we did well.